Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever find yourself knowing the right English words in your head, but when you try to speak, they just don't come out? Or maybe you feel shy and embarrassed, worried you'll make a mistake. Trust me, you are not alone. So many people feel this way, but what if I told you that you could transform from a hesitant speaker to a confident English communicator? In today's video, I'm going to share a complete roadmap with practical, actionable steps that will help you speak English fluently and, most importantly, confidently. We're going to break down the myths and focus on what really works. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started on this journey together. First things first, let's redefine fluency. A lot of people think fluency means speaking perfectly without any accent, just like a native speaker. But that's a huge misconception, and honestly, it's what holds most people back. Fluency isn't about perfection. It's about communication. It's about being able to express your ideas, thoughts, and feelings clearly and effectively so that other people can understand you. That's it. You don't need a massive vocabulary or flawless grammar to be fluent. Once you let go of this pressure to be perfect, you'll find it so much easier to open your mouth and start speaking. Remember, communication over perfection. That's our new motto. Okay, so how do we build this communicative fluency? My first and biggest tip is this: think in English. This is a game changer. Many learners translate in their heads. They think of a sentence in their native language, translate it word for word into English, and then try to say it. This process is slow, it's unnatural, and it's a major cause of hesitation and errors. So, we need to cut out the middleman. Start small. When you wake up, think it's morning. I need to get up. The weather looks nice today. As you go about your day, narrate your actions to yourself in your head in English. I'm making coffee. I'm choosing what to wear. It will feel strange at first, but stick with it. This habit trains your brain to access English directly, making your speech much faster and more natural. Next up, you have to embrace making mistakes. I know, it sounds counterintuitive, but mistakes are not your enemy. They are your best teachers. Every time you make a mistake, it's an opportunity to learn. The most confident English speakers are not the ones who never make mistakes, but the ones who are not afraid to make them. They speak, they mess up, they get corrected or correct themselves, and they remember it for next time. So, how do you get comfortable with this? Start in low-pressure situations. Talk to yourself, record your voice, or find a language exchange partner who is also learning and understands the process. The goal is to get used to the feeling of speaking, even if it's not perfect. Every error is a stepping stone to fluency. Now, for a really practical tip: shadowing. This is a powerful technique to improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Here's how it works. Find a short audio or video clip of a native English speaker. It could be a TED Talk, a podcast, or even a scene from a TV show. First, listen to it once to get the gist. Then, play it again and try to speak along with the speaker at the same time, imitating their every sound, pause, and the melody of their speech. Don't worry about understanding every word. The focus here is on the sounds. It's like singing along to a song. Doing this for just 5 to 10 minutes a day will dramatically improve how natural you sound, which in turn will boost your confidence. My fifth point is crucial. Make English a part of your daily life. You cannot become fluent by just studying for 1 hour a week in a classroom. You need to immerse yourself. But you don't have to move to an English-speaking country to do this. Change the language on your phone and computer to English. Listen to English music on your commute. Watch your favorite movies and TV shows in English. Maybe with English subtitles at first and then without. Read articles, blogs, or books on topics you're passionate about, but in English. You can teach them your language and they can help you with English. You can also join online communities or forums related to your hobbies. If you love gaming, join an English-speaking server. Notice the improvements you've made. Maybe you can now understand a movie without subtitles, or you had a short conversation without translating in your head. So, to recap, redefine fluency as communication, not perfection. Think in English. Embrace your mistakes as learning tools. Practice shadowing to sound more natural. Building fluency and confidence is a journey, but it's one you are absolutely capable of completing. Start with one of these tips today. Just one. The most important step is always the first one. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope these tips help you on your English learning journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which tip are you going to try first? Let's support each other. Remember, you've got this. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.